this is going to make it easier for your dogs to get in and out of the pool or a boat. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this pool/boat ramp. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you can see it is inflatable. We already inflated it. It has a little pump inflator. So you pump it up, super easy to inflate. It has these little rings on the side of it, which we used over here. And then we have this little thing over here, so it kind of holds it this way, so it's more stable for my dogs to get in and out of the pool. I love that this is like a non-slip surface here. And we're gonna see if we can get Eleanor to get in the pool and then show you how to use this. Can you get on it? Huh? Can you get on it? Get on it. I know, that's your ball. Yeah, good girl. So the first part is getting them used to it. And sometimes by doing that, if you put a toy or a treat out there that they really like, good girl, they will figure out how to get on it. Good job. You gonna go down there and get your ball? Get your ball, Elle. It's right there. You can get it. I believe in you. She's like, I'm gonna figure this out. I am kind of holding it a little bit just to keep it extra steady while she gets used to it, because again, we don't want her to be afraid of it. We want her to understand that she can use this to get in and out of the pool. Good girl. I'm letting it go. Yeah, good job. You're on it now. She's like, whoa, this is kind of cool. It floats. It does float. You can use it to get in and out of the pool. She's like, can I make the leap to that floaty from this floaty? I don't think that's a good idea. But at least you're not scared. She's like, look at her thinking. Look at her figuring it out. She's like, I'm figuring it out. This is pretty cool. It's supposed to help you get in and out of the pool, not just be a floaty on top of, it also works as a floaty on top of the water for your dog to float around. You left your ball behind. She's like, yeah, but there's more on this floaty, so I might have to go for them. All right, you gonna try it? You gonna try it? All right, Jamie's gonna show her how to do it. She's like, oh, look how cool that is. You were able to use it to get out. You can also use it to get in. You can use it to get in. I understand you can also shake all the water off right next to me. Kira's like, how do I get in? Kira, you should try this ramp. She's like, all right, Dad, show me how to use it the other way. She's figuring it out. She's like, till my foot falls the other way. Hi, you look so happy.
Both feet. Jump. Jump.
Do it, Elle, do it. Do it. She's figuring it out. Yeah, you did it. Dad's helping to teach you how to get in and out with it. It's really easy. Yeah, really easy. Slowly but surely, she will figure it out. Here she comes.
Yeah.
Can she do it? Look at that. She's like, I am a gosh darn champion and can do anything once I figure it out. Good job, Elle. It works for the dogs. Even Memphis is going to learn how to use it. Kira says, no thank you, but that's okay. If you fall in the pool, I'm sure you can use it to get out. But don't worry, we're always out here anyway. We definitely approve. Look, Dad can use it too. Nice. Ready? See if you can use the ramp. There she goes. Life jacket and all. It'd be a little heavier with that life jacket on, huh? Yes! Is that a win? Shake it off. Shake it off. I'd say that's a win.